you've got some really bad stuff. You've got wisteria here and here. You've got, as you noticed, the black swallowwort with these seed pods. You've got to throw this away ASAP. Dig it out at the root. Okay, don't just pull it out. We found a tree of heaven. Okay, little sapling over here. More wisteria. And then, you know, it's like, who knows what else we've got in here. Because it's, you know, you gotta be nimble. Gotta be quick. Okay, so look out for things like this. Look out for everything bad all the time. Oh, and the lily of the valley, obviously. So I would dig out everything here. I would murder the wisteria if you even can. Murder. You know, like, I think this will involve some chemicals. It's everywhere. Then you get the trumpet vine over there, da da da. So I would dig everything out. I would start fresh, put a little compost in here, and then I would start fresh with some beautiful new plants, because this is a prominent area for you. I'd put in things like coral bells and some ferns and some, you know, you could put some astilbe and some Solomon seal. You could even put some annuals. Like, if you're going to be out here a lot, I can't believe it. If you're going to be in here a lot or out here, you want to love what you see here. And it's worth investing, you know, at the front of the season with a few annuals just to, you know, make it beautiful.